Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device can handle live wallpapers, check OS version, available storage, and battery health so nothing stalls. Once done, enable the necessary permissions for live backgrounds and background activity, because without them the wallpaper won't animate reliably. Now pick your source: curated apps for performance, creator sites for unique options, or your own video clips if you want full control. Remember why. Matching source to capability avoids lag and excessive battery drain later. You'll convert and optimize before installing, because directly using raw files often causes stutter. Convert videos to a compatible format and crop to your screen's aspect ratio, for example 16:9, to prevent stretching. Then use an app that compresses intelligently and adjusts frames per second so animations stay smooth. This reduces CPU load and battery use. Once optimized, set the wallpaper, test it on both lock and home screens, and make scale or loop adjustments until motion looks. You finish by observing real-world performance for a day or two, monitor battery and device temperature so you can judge impact. Make sure to back up originals and keep both the wallpaper app and your OS updated, because patches often fix playback issues. If something goes wrong, clear the app cache, reapply the wallpaper, or convert the source to a lower resolution and repeat. This simple troubleshooting fixes most problems and explains why optimization matters in the first place.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.